Hello, class. In this video, we are going to take a look at this exercise. We're going to write a C# program named projected raises. Yep, that includes a named constant representing next year's anticipated 4% raise for each employee in a company. Also declare variables to represent the current salaries for 3 employees. Assign values to the variables and display with explanatory text next year's salary for each employee. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our tools out using system and then using static system.console. Let's go ahead and get our class, public class projected raises. And we're going to make the body of that class. And inside the body of the class, we're going to create our main method, public static void main. And let's get the body of our main method. Now we're going to have this projected raise of 4%. So we're going to need a const double, and let's just call it rate equals 0.04. That's 4%. And what else do we have to do? Also declare variables to represent the current salaries for 3 employees. All right. So let's get a double for employee 1, and he is going to be making 50,000 a year. We're going to have a double for employee 2, and he is going to be making 100,000. Make sure I get this right. Yep. And then we're going to have a double for employee 3, and employee 3 is going to be making 150,000. So we have these 3 salaries, and what we have to do is we have to use this rate to figure out their next year's salary. Assign values to the variables, display with explanatory text next year's salary for each employee. So we're going to have a double, and we're going to do something like employee 1 raised. And that is going to be employee 1 plus employee 1 multiplied by the rate. So we have our base salary, and then we're going to have 4% multiplied by that base salary added to it. Okay, so that is employee 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this line. I'm going to paste it twice, and I'm going to change 1 to 2 in the second line. Everywhere you see a 1, change it to 2. Oh, I hit the wrong button. What is that? There it goes. And I'm going to change 3 in the third line. So employee 1 raised, employee 2 raised, employee 3 raised. So now we have our final product here. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a write line, and we're going to say employee 1 next year salary is, we're going to put a $sign, a placeholder, and I'm going to put a 0 in the placeholder, 0 index. Go outside of my double quote, and I'm going to put EMP1 raised. I'm going to copy this write line. I'm going to paste it 2 more times. And again, I'm going to change the 1 to 2 in the second line. I'm going to change the 1 to 3 in the third line. And that should be it. Let's go ahead and run the program. That looks right to me. Okay, that is how you would do this exercise. You start off with your constant, you start off with your base, and you have a new variable for the end product with your constant plus your base multiplied by the rate. All right, let me know if you have any issues, and we will see you in the next video. Have a good day.